Good morning, welcome to day 7. This morning we're going to set off from the campsite at Kinloch and we're heading out to Portree to have a look round there. But what we have decided to do is we're going to go from the Bracadale to Portree road. It's an old logging road. We're probably mad because this road is listed on the dangerousroads.org website. It's the B885. It warns that it shouldn't be attempted by novice drivers. They don't mention experienced old gits with vans, so we're going to give it a go. I'm sure it will be fine. So before we set off, we'd better take the dogs out for a quick walk.
Nina is out and about today at one of Manchester's busiest bus stations and can give us a bit of an insight. Morning, Nina.
So we're out playing dodge the showers, trying to give the girls a chance to do what they've got to do before the next clouds come in again. We've decided we'll go to Portree later, although we may just be swapping one place to park for another depending on what the weather does. But because we're not here for very long, we feel we need to use every day a little bit at least and do things. Don't we, dear?
We do, darling. I don't know anything about it here.
No, the wind noise is horrendous. Distance is done vegan. This is about this time we've had today where it hasn't rained, and that's been for about 10 minutes.
Well, I must admit, I thoroughly enjoyed this little ride. You'd have paid good money at a fun fair for this. We even spotted a few places where we could wild camp on future trips over to the Isle of Skye. although I did have to reverse up on at least one occasion. It was pretty good, really. Although I don't think I'd want to do it in the snow. You can have a bit too much of a good thing, so I'm going to cut it here and pick it up again when we get to Portree. Here we are, Portree Harbour. Beautiful little place. And the sun's come out. Probably not for long. Lovely little harbour. That'd be a nice place to have a cream tea, wouldn't it?
Or even a coffee.
Yeah. You can see the difference in the sky. Over that way we've got blue sky, and over that way we haven't.
Nah, they'd be fine. We're just going to wander over there and that's perfect. Yes, please.
Well, that was a nice couple of hours we spent in Portree, which is the main town on the Isle of Skye. But now we're heading up to the fairy Glen up near Ewig. This place has a otherworldly look about it, and it's known for its folk tales about fairies.
In half a mile, bear left onto the A87.
JCB-ish, doesn't it? That's what it would say. Right, we're off to the fairy Glen.
Yep. With our extra baggage.
Can you film that one?
Go on then. Well, I've got to turn the you. He means you, Maya.
No, I didn't. I meant this one.
Oh, Phil.
I can do that.
That's right. Luna. Hello. Do you like travelling on Dad's back? Oh.
Right, first sight of the fairy Glen.
Yeah.
That was quite cute.
Oh, that's lovely. I like the thing on the top of the hill.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. Is it a castle?
That'll be the fairy hotel.
That is stunning.
Right, still.
Yeah, she does. She doesn't look unduly perturbed. This is awesome, isn't it?
It's very nice, isn't it?
So pretty. They're like furry pyramids, aren't they?
Yeah. Yeah.
Just wonder what happened. How did that happen? How did it happen?
Yeah, how were they created? Looks like you're allowed to climb up them.
It does, doesn't it?
Although I would have thought that might erode them a bit. It looks like people do. There's loads of them.
Like,
Right over there's a waterfall. Look. Don't know if you can walk that far. Well, this is really nice. No entrance fee, just a fee to park the car.
Bit of a steep old climb,
What do
wouldn't
you
it?
think? Hey?
Steep old climb with you.
Yeah, we're not there yet. Yeah, we're going to get up the top of that one. That one. Got to the high point. Yeah. Maybe that's the high point, just over there. Going over there. Do you reckon they have to come up here and strim it? I am tempted to have a look up there. And look who's our guardians of the path. Some sheep. Hello fellas. Yeah. And we're just about finished the walk now. That was lovely. We got to one of the high points. And now we're just coming back to Merlin. There he is. Sitting there waiting for us. Oh, I've got sheep in the path. Or next to the path.
Oh, it's their time. Their supper time.
Hello fella.
Hi fellas. Hello.
You don't have to run off.
Not going to stop you having your tea.
We're going to wrap this vlog up here, guys. Thank you for watching. This is what the weather conditions were still like. As you can see, sun shining, but fierce rain.